Hello everyone, this is a public service announcement about a dengue fever outbreak. Recently, working with the Public Health Department, we have been notified of an outbreak of dengue fever. In this public service announcement, we will be covering the individual prevention and control as well as the community level prevention and control and what we are doing in this dengue fever outbreak. What is dengue fever? Dengue fever is a mosquito-borne tropical disease caused by the dengue virus that is transmitted through mosquitoes. Symptoms begin 3 to 14 days after initial infection. Symptomology includes fever, headache, vomiting, muscle and joint pains, as well as skin rash. Skin rash is the most telltale sign of dengue fever, and you can see a very common example of that in the bottom right. Dengue fever prevention and control at the individual level includes personal protection to mosquito bites, including long sleeve clothing. Long sleeve clothing includes long sleeve shirts, as well as pants, as well as hats. Also, try to avoid areas with high mosquitoes. Sleep with mosquito nets if possible to help mitigate exposure. You need to also hydrate and drink lots of water to help manage symptoms if you do get dengue fever. If you do not have access to water and feel that you have been exposed to dengue fever, please seek immediate hospital care. Dengue fever at the community level. So we are going to be working with the community to eliminate mosquito habitats. This includes avoidance of stagnant water, but also construction techniques to fill areas of stagnant water with dirt or soil, and also perform irrigation techniques to get that stagnant water flowing again. We will also be using insecticides to help eliminate mosquitoes. What we are doing to help prevent dengue fever is we will be providing mosquito netting to individuals or families that are at risk for dengue fever. We will also be trying to eliminate mosquitoes by removing the open sources of stagnant water, using construction techniques of irrigation, and filling those stagnant water with dirt or soil. We will also be providing insecticides to areas with lots of stagnant water. In conclusion, this has been a public service announcement about dengue fever. Please cover yourselves with long sleeve clothing. This includes long sleeve shirts and pants and hats. Hydrate, drink lots of water, seek medical attention if you cannot hydrate well and you feel that you're at risk. Avoid areas of high mosquitoes, including stagnant water. We will be providing irrigation and construction techniques to help mitigate stagnant water, as well as insecticides. But the best thing that you guys can do as individuals is to remain calm, hydrate with lots of water, and please wear long sleeve clothing. Thank you.